Hello everyone, wish you all a very happy new year. May this year brings you all the happiness, prosperity and health that you aspire for, and same goes for me too. So yeah, I'm gonna start this year with one of my favorite fabric paintings that I did last year for my sister. And the painting is of Meerabai, one of the biggest devotees of Lord Krishna. So firstly have a look at your screens, see the painting right now. So as you've seen the painting, let's start with the process, but make sure you watch the video till then because I'm going to share very important information in between the video, so you have to watch the video till then. Let's start. So as you've seen, I have done 2-3 layers of paint on the fabric. The reason being because I'm working on silk, and silk doesn't absorb color quite smoothly. So first reason is that's why I'm doing multiple layers, and second is that it won't be very visually satisfying if you're not doing 2-3 layers because the color is not going to settle down like that. So it's a suggestion from my side, like when you're working on silk, make sure that you do at least 2-3 layers. That's how the painting is going to look amazing. While you're working on finishing all small details, make sure that you use 000 or 00 brushes, or if you have round brushes, they should be pointed ones. Because if your small detailing and finishing isn't good, the painting wouldn't be as amazing as it could be. So make sure you do that.
Change that never came. The more
So I hope you have enjoyed my work, and if you did so, then please do like, share, and comment on the video, and please do subscribe to the channel and to press the bell icon in order to get the notification about my recent videos. And if you have any queries whatsoever, please drop down in the comment section, or you can contact me through Instagram. My Instagram handle is arts by VJ, so you can contact me there too. So yeah, thank you so much, and I wish you a very happy new year.